Oman, the hidden jewel of Arabia. There's a place where the desert meets the sea, where mountains rise from golden sands, and the scent of frankincense lingers in the air, a land both ancient and timeless. This is Oman, the hidden jewel of Arabia. While many travelers rush to the glitz of Dubai or the skyscrapers of Doha, Oman remains a quiet treasure, untouched, authentic, and endlessly beautiful. It's a country where tradition and nature coexist in perfect harmony. From the rolling dunes of the Wahiba sands to the turquoise fjords of Musandam, Oman isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. A reminder that beauty doesn't need to shout to be seen. As your journey begins in Muscat, the capital city, you immediately sense Oman's soul. The city stretches along the Gulf of Oman, a blend of modern life and deep-rooted culture. Whitewashed buildings shimmer under the sun, framed by rugged brown mountains. There are no towering skyscrapers here, only graceful domes, arched windows, and the scent of sea breeze drifting through the streets. At the heart of Muscat stands the magnificent Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. Its grand marble courtyard, crystal chandeliers, and intricately woven Persian carpet, one of the largest in the world, reflect not just beauty, but devotion. As you walk through its arches, the silence feels sacred. Every mosaic, every curve tells a story of faith and craftsmanship. Just beyond the mosque, Muscat's streets hum with daily life. Locals in crisp white dishdashas and women in colorful abayas move gracefully through markets and cafes. The Mutra Souk, one of the oldest markets in Arabia, is a labyrinth of spices, silver, and stories. The scent of frankincense mixes with oud, and vendors call out greetings with warm smiles. Here, time seems to move slower. You can touch the history, carved into every piece of jewelry, every fabric dyed by hand, every lantern that flickers under the low ceilings. From Muscat, the road winds toward Nizwa, once the capital of Oman and still its cultural heart. Its famous Nizwa fort, with its massive circular tower, guards the old town like a sentinel from another age. Climb to the top and you'll see a panorama of palm oases and mountains stretching endlessly into the horizon. Below, the Nizwa Souk bursts with life. Traders selling dates, silver daggers known as khanjars, and pottery painted in desert tones. Oman's true magic, though, lies beyond its cities, in its landscapes that shift like a dream. Drive south, and the world begins to change. The mountains fade into dunes, waves of golden sand that stretch to infinity. This is the Wahiba Sands, one of the most stunning deserts on Earth. When the sun sets here, the dunes glow with shades of orange and red so vivid it feels unreal. The silence is profound. Only the wind whispers, shaping the sands like an artist sculpting the earth. Spend a night in a Bedouin desert camp, and you'll understand the soul of Oman. As the fire crackles under a sky bursting with stars, locals share stories of the old days, of caravans crossing the desert, of hidden oases, of survival in one of the world's harshest environments. The taste of traditional Omani coffee, flavored with cardamom, and warm dates under a million stars, it's a kind of peace you can't find anywhere else. And then there's Wadi Shab, a paradise carved by water in the middle of stone. A wadi is a valley, often dry, but after rainfall it becomes an oasis. At Wadi Shab, turquoise pools snake through limestone cliffs, leading to a hidden waterfall inside a cave. You swim through cool, clear water surrounded by towering rock walls, sunlight filtering in from above. It's not just a place. It's an experience that feels like a secret the earth is sharing with you. Continue your journey to Sur, the coastal town famous for its shipbuilding heritage. Here, wooden dhows, traditional Arabian boats, are still crafted by hand, just as they have been for centuries. Their curved wooden hulls and billowing sails tell stories of trade, exploration, and adventure across the Indian Ocean. At night, the sound of waves blends with the rhythm of hammers striking wood, a lullaby of tradition and time. Not far from Sur lies Ras Al Jins, where one of Oman's most magical sights unfolds, the nesting of green sea turtles. Each night, under the moonlight, mother turtles crawl ashore to lay their eggs in the sand, just as they have for thousands of years. Watching this quiet ritual, the circle of life unfolding by the sea, reminds you how ancient and pure this land truly is. Further south, the journey takes you to Salalah, Oman's tropical gem. Unlike the dry north, Salalah bursts with greenery, especially during the Kharif, the monsoon season. From June to September, mist blankets the mountains, waterfalls pour from cliffs, and the desert blooms into emerald life. Coconuts, bananas, and papayas fill the air with sweetness, and the rain-soaked valleys look like something out of a dream. Salalah is also the land of frankincense, the precious resin once worth its weight in gold. The land of frankincense is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with ancient trade routes that once connected Arabia to Egypt, Rome, and India. The scent of burning frankincense still drifts through the air, a timeless link between past and present. But Oman is not only about its landscapes, it's about its people. Warm, gentle, and deeply proud of their heritage, Omanis are known for their hospitality. It's common for strangers to invite you into their homes for coffee or share food with you on the road. Their smiles carry sincerity, a reflection of a culture built on respect and kindness. In Oman, modernity walks hand in hand with tradition. While cities grow and technology advances, the country has preserved its heart, its culture, language, and way of life. The national dress, the architecture, even the music, all hold pieces of identity that haven't been lost to time. As you travel north again, you reach the dramatic Musandam Peninsula, often called the Norway of Arabia. Here, towering cliffs plunge into turquoise fjords, and the sea sparkles like glass. Traditional dhows sail through calm waters, surrounded by dolphins that dance beside them. The silence of these fjords is mesmerizing. Only the gentle sound of waves and seabirds echo through the canyons of stone. Standing on a dhow at sunset, with the mountains glowing amber behind you and the sea turning silver, you realize that Oman is not just a country, it's a living poem.